Hey there, I want to show you how you can easily take a melody loop and transform it into a complete beat without it sounding too repetitive or too basic. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So we currently have a new pack out called the Nima Song Starter. Basically, it's a song starter with melody loops. And also has drums in it as well. I'll be focusing on just melody loop for this lesson, okay? So let's preview some loops and see what we can find. Okay, I like this. I'm going to bring it in here, and then it automatically matches our tempo, but I think I'd like to keep this tempo. Let's try to 105. Yep, stretch. Nice. Okay, so that's sounding good. So what I like to do when I'm having a song starter like this is I'm going to chop the melody into 4 bars or 8 bars. Okay, just chop it up to a part that is more convenient, because I could use these first 4 bars for like the verse, and then the next 4 bars for like a pre-chorus. Then I could use it for like the main chorus. I can also use that for the main chorus or even maybe another verse. Okay, so that's why I like to break it up so that I have my parts already. Okay, because song starters typically already have almost everything embedded in it, but you can still add your own, which you see me do. Okay, so after having this, let's go straight to drums so I can have direction on the bounce. Okay, so I'm going to just come to my empty pattern, drag and drop right here. I'm going to come to my Safi drum kit, come to one shot, come to kicks. By the way, this drum kit is also available on our website, stututorials.com. All right, I like that kick, so I'll drag and drop right there. So I'll simply just start with a 4-step kick. Then reduce the volume of the melody some more. Then let's have some rim shots. Yep, let's try that. And then we simply play a typical Afrobeat drum pattern. Then we have the, just simply count 2 steps, then repeat 2 steps, 2 steps. And then we can simply repeat that. For now, we'll focus on just these 4 bars. All right, so let's have a shaker loop. I'm going to come back to loops, still under the Safi drum keys. Let's come to shakers. Let's try that. Drag and drop in here. Stretch. We can also layer it up so that it sounds a bit more interesting. Let's drag and drop here. Let's have some simple percussions in the main drums just to give it more life. Let's come to one shots, perk. Then we can also layer this here. Let's have some simple grooves. Hey there, before we go any further, I want to let you know that I do offer one-on-one private coaching where I'll teach you personally how to make beats or how to mix and master professionally. So all you have to do is contact this WhatsApp number on your screen, and let's get to know each other and see how I can help you achieve the goal and the results that you actually want. So without wasting any more time, let's get back to the lesson. All right, so we have that. Now let's play some melodies, okay? I may be wondering what kind of sound do we add, because we can already hear the chords, we can already hear some melodies in there. And now what you add most times with a song starter, you don't need to play too much. Just add sounds that you think are missing. Okay, in my case, I'd love to add some more ambient layers to this. So I'm going to be using Sky Keys because I think Sky Keys has a great selection of sounds. So I'm going to use this sound, for example. Then let's come to the piano roll, but first let's paste our empty clip right here, and then we can come to our piano roll. Remember that the key of this loop is actually F sharp major. You can choose to transpose this if you would like. For example, if I pitch it down by maybe 200 cents, it changes the sound. If I take it up by 200 cents, just make sure it's in stretch. I think I like how it was sounding when it was 200 cents down, so let's use that. So now it's no longer on F sharp major, because if I bring it down 200 cents, so if this was F sharp, because this is actually F sharp, so there's a key here, this is F sharp, this is F, then so this loop is currently on E major, no longer on F sharp, because I brought it down by 2 semitones, okay, or 200 cents, okay. So after this, come right here and just come to major, then E, okay. So you can see this is 0, -1, -2, okay. So now I can simply play notes. Let's come back to our VST. Now the notes you play is totally dependent on you, okay. But most times for ambient melodies, you want to play really simple notes, okay, really simple notes. You don't want to play crazy stuff in here so it doesn't collide with your song starter, okay. So I could start with either the 5th or the 6th octave. So for example, I could paste a random note here. I like that too, so I think I'll just go with this. It's much simpler and it sounds good still. So let's add another ambient melody. Let's use Pigments this time. I don't use Pigment a lot, but it has a lot of great sounds. So drag this up here. Then we'll come right here. Let's come to, I like to click the library icon right here. Come to styles, want soft and want atmospheric. So it minimizes our search. I would have to search so much. So let's look for some sounds. Okay, I like this. Reduce the volume. Typically, ambient sounds are just sounds that have a long decay. Yeah, when I press that, it has a long decay. That's just what ambient sounds are. Okay, they help fill up space in the background so that your beat doesn't sound overly full with, melodies. Okay, you want to keep the melody simple, but at the same time interesting. You want the beat to be interesting. So that's why we need ambient sounds. So come to piano roll, and then let's just keep a simple note here. Kind of want to dodge the original ambient melodies. You can see them right here, okay, so that it doesn't feel like they're all clustered in one position. Again, this is not a rule, it's just a guide, okay. Hey there, so just a quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, I want to let you know that we also offer structured courses that you can learn step by step if you're trying to learn how to make beats or you're trying to learn how to mix and master. What you have to do is check out our website, sctutorial.com, and you also earn your certification when you complete the course successfully. The course comes with materials and resources that will help you learn, and what you'll be getting will be straight results so you can make bangers or even make killer mixes. So if you're interested, don't forget to visit our website, sctutorial.com, and check out our available courses. It's 100% online and you get to learn at your own pace in your own time. Simply visit our website once again, sctutorial.com, and get started today. All right, so let's get back to the lesson. So already have both of our ambient melodies. So let's break it up a bit. Okay, I don't want to play too much because remember we have other parts in the song. Okay, so I'm going to break it up for now and then we'll continue from there. So let's move this out of the way. Let's have that somewhere around here. Let's come to the intro, Option T or Alt T. We have our intro. Then we can have the end. All right, so this is where the beat ends, which is about 2 minutes, 26 seconds, okay? So how do we arrange this into a full song without it sounding boring? That's where we're going to start now. So remember I said, the hook could be this guy. So exactly, so we're going to have this as the hook, and then we could have this on the intro into the verse, and then the pre-hook could have this guy. Because I can already hear lead melodies in there, so I don't have to play anything fancy there, okay? Then, all right, so now let's say from the top, after adding our drum rolls from the Safi drum kit, has every single thing you need to make really crazy drums. Let's listen to it from the top.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's pretty much it on how to make Afro beats from just a simple loop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. And if you want the sounds used in these beats, don't forget to check our website as well, sctutorials.com. Cheers.